shoulder. Dada, chest. Chest. Perut, stomach. Stomach. Bokong, behind. Punggung, back. Tangan, hand. Siku tangan, elbow. Lengan, arm. Jari tangan, finger. Kuku, nail. Pinggang, waist. Paha, thigh. Betis, calf. Telapak kaki 1, foot. Telapak kaki 2, feet. Kaki, leg. Lutut, knee. Jari kaki, toe. Okay, we repeat from number 1 ya. We use this. Okay. Rambut, hair. Tubuh, body. Kepala, head. Mata, eye. Bibir, lip. Alis mata, eyebrow. Gigi 1, tooth. Gigi banyak, teeth. Mulut, mouth. Ya. Jadi if ending with H, kalau diakhiri dengan H, jadinya halus ya, lidahnya ke atas. Tooth, teeth, mouth. Oke. Dahi, forehead. Telinga, ear. Wajah, face. Dagu, chin. Pipi, cheek. Dagu, chin, pipi, cheek. Jadi you can touch your chin, boleh disentuh dagunya sama pipinya, diulang-ulang, chin, cheek, chin, cheek, chin, cheek gitu ya kalau mau hafal. Hidung, nose. Leher, neck. Pundak, shoulder. Dada, chest. Perut, stomach. Ada juga yang bilang tummy ya. Bokong, behind. Bisa juga bottom ya. Bottom artinya di bawah atau bawah. Punggung, back. Makanya kalau tas punggung, backpack. Tangan, hand. Siku tangan, elbow. Siku tangan yang ini ya. Di siku tangan. Elbow. Lengan, arm. Jari tangan, finger. Kuku, nail. Makanya kutex atau pewarna kuku itu nail polish. Dari kata nail. Pinggang, waist. Paha, thigh. Ada H-nya, jadinya halus ya. Thigh. Thigh. Betis, calf. Calf. You can touch your calf. Boleh sentuh betisnya sama pahanya ya. Kita ulang-ulang yuk. Calf, thigh. Calf, thigh. Calf, thigh ya. Untuk bisa hafal, kita ulang-ulang sambil disentuh part of body-nya. Telapak kaki 1, foot. Makanya sepak bola bilangnya football. Telapak kaki 2, feet. Kaki, leg. Lutut, knee. Jadi K-nya silent. K-nya tidak terdengar ya. Knee. Jari kaki, toe. Okay, now more than one. Lebih dari satu. Kalau lebih dari satu gimana? Rambut, hair, tetap hair. Karena kalau uncountable tidak bisa dihitung, tidak tambah S ya, tetap hair. Body, more than one, jadi bodies. Y-nya ganti I, tambahkan IS ya. Head, heads, eye, eyes, lip, lips, eyebrow, tetap eyebrow. Tooth dia hanya satu, teeth karena banyak jadi tetap teeth. Mulut, mouth, dahi, foreheads, telinga, ears, wajah, faces, dagu, chins, pipi, cheeks, hidung, noses, leher, necks, pundak, shoulders, dada, chests, perut, stomachs, bokong, behind, tetap behind ya, punggung, backs, tangan, hands, siku tangan, elbows, lengan, arms, jari tangan, fingers, kuku, nails, pinggang, waists, paha, thighs, betik, nah betis, ending with F, more than one jadi change to V, ES ya. Betis only one, calf more than one, calves. Telapak kaki satu, foot hanya satu, feet itu sudah dua jadi tidak perlu S. Legs, knees, toes. Okay. Now kita coba tulis bahasanya. Tadi sudah tulis Inggrisnya. Now we write the bahasa. Hair means rambut. Body, tubuh. Head, kepala. Eye, mata. Lip, bibir. Eyebrow, alis mata. Tooth, gigi satu. Teeth, gigi banyak. Mouth, mulut. Forehead, dahi or jidat. Ear, telinga. Face, wajah. Chin, dagu. Cheek, pipi. Nose, hidung. Neck, leher. Shoulder, pundak. Chest, dada. Stomach, perut. Behind, bokong or pantat. Back, punggung. Hand, tangan. Elbow, siku tangan. Arm, lengan. Finger, jari, tangan. Nail, kuku. Hip, pinggul. Thigh, paha. Calf, betis. Foot, satu, telapak kaki. Feet, dua, telapak kaki. Leg, kaki. Knee, lutut or dengkul. Toe, jari kaki. Makanya ada lagu head, shoulders, knees, and toes ya, dari kepala ke jari kaki. Okay, now we continue occupations or jobs. pekerjaan. Astronaut, astronaut. Ada juga yang tulisannya astronaut ya. Next, guru, teacher. Petugas polisi, police officer. Kalau laki-laki policeman, perempuan police woman. Pembalap, racer. Koki, chef or cook. Mekanis mobil, car mechanic. Badut, clown. Fotografer, photographer. Pengusaha, entrepreneur. Pelapor berita, pelapor berita bisa wartawan, bisa reporter juga boleh. Atlet, athlete. Tulisannya sedikit sulit ya, tinggal dihafal. Athlete. Tentara, soldier. Model, model. Sekretaris, sekretari. Pembaca berita, news reader. Dokter, dokter. Arsitek, arsitek. Pemain piano, pianist. Kalau pemain gitar, gitarist. Pemain biola, violist ya. Penata rambut, hairdresser. Ilmuwan, scientist. Penyanyi, singer. Supir bis, bus driver. Pemahat batu, sculpture. Pekerja pabrik, factory worker. Murid, student. Pesulap, magician. Dokter bedah, surgeon. Asisten toko, shop assistant. Dokter gigi, dentist. Penari, dancer. Hakim, judge. Pemadam kebakaran, fire fighter. Tukang pos, postman or postwoman or mail carrier. Ya, mail carrier. Pelatih olahraga, coach. Dokter hewan, vet or veterinarian. Dirigen, konduktor atau penata musik orkestra ya. Perawat, nurse. Pilot, pilot. Tukang bangunan, builder. Seniman, artist. Dari kata art. Art means seninya, artis seniman. Ahli mesin, engineer or insinyur ya. Petani or peternak, farmer. Okay, we repeat it from number 1 ya. Astronaut, astronaut. Guru, teacher. Petugas polisi, police officer. Kalau laki-laki policeman, perempuan police woman. Pembalap, racer. Koki, chef or cook. Mekanis mobil, car mechanic. Badut, clown. Juru foto or photographer, photographer. PH jadinya photographer ya. Pengusaha, entrepreneur. Pelapor berita, reporter. Atlet, athlete. Tentara, soldier. Model, model. Sekretaris, secretary. Pembaca berita, newsreader. Dokter, doctor. Arsitek, architect. Pemain piano, pianist. Penata rambut, hairdresser. Ilmuwan, scientist. Penyanyi, singer. Supir bis, bus driver. Pemahat batu, sculpture. Pekerja pabrik, factory worker. Murid, student. Pesulap, magician. Dokter bedah, surgeon. Asisten toko, shop assistant. Dokter gigi, dentist. Penari, dancer. Hakim, judge. Pemadam kebakaran, firefighter. Tukang pos, postman or postwoman or mail carrier. Pembawa surat. Pelatih olahraga, coach. Dokter hewan, vet or veterinarian. Dirigen or pengiring orkestra, conductor. Perawat, nurse. Pilot, pilot. Tukang bangunan, builder. Seniman, artist. Ahli mesin, engineer or insinyur. Petani, farmer. Okay, now the question is, kalau mau tanya cita-cita, example you meet your old friend, misalnya kita ketemu teman lama, terus tanya pekerjaannya. Apakah pekerjaanmu? Inggrisnya apa? What? What do you do? Ya. Kalau menanyakan pekerjaan, what do you do? Kalau saya seorang guru, I'm a teacher. Ya. What do you do? Apakah pekerjaanmu? I'm a teacher. Kalau what do you do? Saya seorang pengusaha. I'm an entrepreneur. Kalau seorang astronot, I'm an astronaut. Kalau seorang atlet, I'm an athlete. Kalau seorang arsitek, I'm an architect. seorang artis atau seniman. I'm an artist. Seorang insinyur. I'm an engineer. Oke. Jadi, why teacher using a, but entrepreneur using an, astronaut using an, athlete using an? Why? Because only one and starts with vowel. Hanya satu dan dimulai dengan huruf hidup atau vokal. Jadi using an. Ya. Only one and starts with vowel, we use an. We read together ya, kita baca bersama yuk. What do you do? I'm a teacher. What do you do? I'm an entrepreneur. I'm an astronaut. I'm an athlete. I'm an architect. I'm an artist. I'm an engineer. Bacanya harus gitu ya, engineer. Jadi membaca occupation or job juga ada penekanannya ya. Nah, how about if we ask female? Kalau kita tanya perempuan, misalnya kita punya teman namanya Megawati, terus kita tanya, apakah pekerjaan dia perempuan? Apakah pekerjaan dia perempuan? Using do or does? Does, ya. Only one and he and she or personal name, pokoknya subjeknya only one, and he and she using does, ya. Ini simple present tense. What does he do? Apakah pekerjaan dia perempuan? Answernya, she is a vet. Bisa juga short formnya apa? She is digabung jadi sis. Ya, she's a vet. Itu kalau female, perempuan, ya. What does she do? Apakah pekerjaan dia perempuan? She is a vet or she's a vet. She is digabung jadi sis, ya, and apostrophe. Nah, kalau laki-laki, kita tanya pekerjaan dia laki-laki. Apakah pekerjaan dia laki-laki? What does he do? Answernya tinggal dibalik. He is a dentist. Ya, he. She, female. Oke, we read together ya. What does she do? Apakah pekerjaan dia perempuan? She is a vet or she's a vet. What does he do? He is a dentist or he's a dentist. Nah, kalau mereka, kita punya teman-teman 2 orang yang sedang melakukan pekerjaan yang sama atau satu kantor misalnya ya. Apakah pekerjaan mereka? What? Nah, kalau he, she and only one, we use does. Ya, kalau they, we, I, you or more than one, we use do. Ya, itu rumus simple present tense-nya. What do they do? Apakah pekerjaan mereka? They is they are atau they am? They are. They are judges. Jadi harus ada S-nya ya, karena more than one. What do? They are judges. Oke. Nah, coba yang we. Kita. Apakah pekerjaan kita? What do we do? We are surgeons. Nah, they are judges or their judges. They are short formnya their, ya. What do? We are surgeons or we're surgeons. They sudah mana? They, we, I. Nah, sekarang yang I. What do I do? Apakah pekerjaan saya? Misalnya lagi hilang ingatannya. What do I do? I'm an athlete. I am or I'm an bla bla bla. He, she, sudah, it, ya. Nah, kalau personal name, nama orang. What does Susi do? She's a singer. Sama kalau pakai nama laki-laki, what does Budi do? He's a reporter, ya. Okay, now this how to ask someone's occupation, menanyakan pekerjaan seseorang. Okay, now we ask about mana tadi? Oke. Ini sudah tadi part of body. Sekarang kita coba spell ya. Kita coba eja. Astronaut, A-S-T-R-O-N-O-U-T. Atau kita coba dulu baca dari awal, dari atas sampai bawah. You can follow me ya, bisa ikuti Miss ya. So we can practice our pronunciation. Untuk melatih pronunciation kita harus banyak membaca ya, dan sering-sering membaca. Oke, repeat after me ya. Astronaut, teacher, police officer, racer, chef or cook, car mechanic, clown, photographer, entrepreneur, reporter, athlete, soldier, model, secretary, newsreader, doctor, architect, pianist, hairdresser, scientist, singer, bus driver, sculptor, factory worker, student, magician, surgeon, shop assistant, dentist, dancer, judge, firefighter, postman or postwoman or mail carrier, coach, vet or veterinarian, conductor, nurse, pilot, builder, artist, engineer, farmer. Ya. Okay, now we repeat the questions ya. Apakah pekerjaanmu atau mereka atau dia laki-laki atau kita ya? Okay, repeat after me ya. What does she do? She's a vet. What does he do? He's a dentist. What do they do? They are judges. What do we do? We are surgeons. What do I do? I'm an athlete. What does Susie do? She's a singer. What do you do? I'm a teacher. What do you do? I'm an entrepreneur. I'm an astronaut. I'm an athlete. I'm an architect. I'm an artist. I'm an engineer. Okay. Now ini yang simple present tense. How about simple past tense? Menanyakan pekerjaan orang yang sudah tidak dilakukan lagi, ya, sudah lampau. Coba yang you. What did you do? Ya, did dari kata do. Do verb 1, did verb 2, kata kerja kedua. What did you do? Apakah pekerjaanmu di masa lalu? I was a model. What did they do? Nah, karena more than one, jadi they were, ya, bukan was. Was itu untuk he, she, it, I, and only one. Kalau were untuk they, we, you, and more than one. They were pianists. What did we do? We were clowns. What did, jadi sama ya, pakai did semua kalau past tense. What did I do? Ya, sama ya. I was a soldier. What did she do? Nah, he, she, it, and I pakai was ya. She was a racer. What did he do? He was a doctor. Okay. Number 7. We use personal name. What did Joko do? He was a farmer. What did Budi and Susi do? Nah, walaupun personal name, tapi dia more than one, lebih dari satu, jadi they, mereka. They were chef, cooks atau chefs. Nah, we use family members. What did your mom do? She was a pilot. What did your uncle do? He was, uncle paman ya, jadi laki-laki. He was apa lagi yang belum? He was an engineer. Oke. Jadi kalau did, kalau ini yang past tense, ini yang simple present tense using do sama does. Kalau yang simple past tense using did semua. Apapun subjeknya memakai did, ya. Oke, we read together ya. What did you do? I was a model. What did they do? They were pianists. What did we do? We were clowns. What did I do? I was a soldier. Bisa juga dijawabnya you. You were a blah blah blah. What did she do? She was a racer. What did he do? He was a doctor. What did Joko do? He was a farmer. What did Budi and Susi do? They were cooks or chefs. What did your mom do? She was a pilot. What did your uncle do? He was an engineer. Okay. Yeah. This about job or occupation. Now we go back to part of body, bagian tubuh yang, nah kalau part of body, bagian tubuh, saya punya, ya ini kita sesuai jumlahnya saja ya. We make sentences, kita buat kalimat. Saya punya rambut. I have hair. I have one body. Kita pakai jumlahnya ya, kuantitinya. I have one head. I have two eyes. I have two lips. I have eyebrows. I have one tooth. I have many teeth. Giginya banyak ya, many. I have one mouth. I have one forehead. I have two ears. I have one face. I have one chin. I have two cheeks. I have one nose. I have one neck. I have two shoulders. I have one chest. I have one stomach. I have behind. I have one back. I have two hands. I have two elbows. I have two arms. I have 10 fingers. 10 jari tangan. I have 20 nails. 20 kuku. Ya, kuku jari tangan dan kuku jari kaki. I have 2 hips. I have 2 thighs. I have 2 calves. I have 1 foot. I have 2 feet. I have 2 legs. I have 2 knees. I have 10 toes. 10 jari kaki. Ya. Okay. Now, apalagi kalimat tentang body? Ya. Yang lain kan kebanyakan tinggal tambahkan SSSS kalau more than one, lebih dari 1. Nah, kalau betis jadinya berubah. Calf, C-A-L-F jadinya calves, C-A-L-V-E-S. Apalagi yang berubah? Body, B-O-D-Y, only one. More than one, B-O-D-I-E-S, bodies. Ya, stomaches. Ya, kalau yang lain sama ya. Nah, khusus untuk foot fit, dia memang sudah seperti ini ya. Jadi kalau 2, dia bukan fits, tapi tetap fit, karena fit itu sudah 2. Kalau foot 1 ya. Same as with gigi. 1 gigi, tooth. Gigi banyak, teeth. Jadi tidak perlu tambahkan S lagi karena teeth itu sudah banyak. Oke. Okay, do you have any questions? Ada pertanyaan? Is about part of body and occupation and or job. Tadi sudah, what does she do? What do you do? Oke, sekarang pekerjaan. Apakah cita-citamu? Ya. Apakah cita-citamu? What is it the English? Apakah cita-citamu? Kalau apakah pekerjaanmu kan what do you do? Ya. Kalau apakah cita-citamu? What do you want to be? Apakah cita-citamu? What do you want to be? Atau kamu mau jadi apa? Saya mau menjadi misalnya presiden. I want to be a president. Oke. Nah, coba kita baca ya. Misalnya ini pekerjaannya. Kita tanya, we ask and we answer. Kita tanya dan jawab ya. What do you want to be? I want to be an astronaut. What do you want to be? I want to be a teacher. Kita harus pakai ya, karena kan yang ditanya kamu itu satu orang. What do you want to be? I want to be police officer. What do you want to be? I want to be a racer. What do you want to be? I want to be a chef. What do you want to be? I want to be a car mechanic. What do you want to be? I want to be a clown. What do you want to be? I want to be a photographer. What do you want to be? I want to be an entrepreneur. What do you want to be? I want to be a reporter. Nah, kalau misalnya mereka, apakah cita-cita mereka? What do they want to be? Answernya, they want to be. Apa yang belum? Sculptors. Ya, sculptors. Oke, we ask tadi number 11 ya. What do they want to be? They want to be athletes. What do they want to be? They want to be soldiers. What do they want to be? They want to be models. What do they want to be? They want to be secretaries. What do they want to be? They want to be news readers. Nah, sekarang what do we want to be? We want to be doctors. Okay, we read until number 20 ya. What do we want to be? We want to be doctors. What do we want to be? We want to be architects. What do we want to be? We want to be pianists. What do we want to be? We want to be hairdressers. What do we want to be? We want to be scientists. Okay, they sudah, you sudah, they sudah, we sudah. Now, she. Kalau she pakai do atau does? Does ya. What does she want to be. Apakah cita-cita dia perempuan? She wants. Nah, karena only one, jadi verbnya using S. Kata kerjanya pakai S, ya. Only one subjeknya. Atau he, she. Verbnya using S. She wants to be a singer. Jangan lupa kuantitinya ya. She kan only one, jadi using a. Okay, we read together ya. What does she want to be? She wants to be a singer. What does she want to be? She wants to be a bus driver. What does she want to be? She wants to be a sculptor. What does she want to be? She wants to be a factory worker. What does she want to be? She wants to be a student. Okay. Nah, now male or laki-laki. Apakah cita-cita dia laki-laki? What does he want to be? Atau dia laki-laki mau jadi apa? He wants, ya. He sama si verbnya using S kalau simple present tense ya. He wants to be a magician. Okay. Now we ask together ya. What does he want to be? He wants to be a magician. What does he want to be? He wants to be a surgeon. What does he want to be? He wants to be a shop assistant. What does he want to be? He wants to be a dentist. What does he want to be? He wants to be a dancer. Okay, next. We use personal name, nama pribadi. What does Jane want to be? Karena dia female, perempuan, jadinya she ya. She wants to be a judge, seorang hakim. Okay, we ask together ya. What does she want to be? She wants to be a judge. What does she want to be? She wants to be a firefighter. What does she want to be? She wants to be a postwoman. Hati-hati ya, kalau perempuan jadinya postwoman, kalau laki-laki kalau polisi policewoman ya. What does she want to be? She wants to be a coach. What does she want to be? She wants to be a vet or veterinarian. Okay, now male's name, nama laki-laki. Apakah cita-cita Tim? What does Tim want to be? He wants, ya. Jadi kalau only one, verbnya using S ya. Kalau simple present tense, he wants to be a conductor. Okay, we ask together ya. What does Tim want to be? He wants to be a conductor. What does Tim want to be? He wants to be a nurse. What does Tim want to be? He wants to be a pilot. What does Tim want to be? He wants to be a builder. What does Tim want to be? He wants to be an artist. What does Tim want to be? He wants to be an engineer. What does Tim want to be? He wants to be a farmer. Gitu ya.